Hello guys, welcome to my channel once again. Today I come with a powerful update. This update is going to make you like 20k, 10k even today if you follow this update. This is really mind-blowing. Oh guys, welcome to my channel, Income Spinner channel. Here I share money making tips. I share opportunities here. So if that is what you're looking for, you're welcome. I want to really appreciate you. Please strike that. Gosh. So if today is your first day on my channel, please hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so that YouTube can always notify you whenever I upload videos like this, so that you'll be the first to implement the updates and also make the best of the opportunity. So guys, welcome to the update, to the presentation. So today I'll be talking about Learnify. Learnify. This is a program that is making massive success right now. A lot of people are cashing out on this platform, and I want to bring it to you. I just signed up, and so far this is my dashboard. I want to show you my dashboard. So far made like 9k so far from this platform, and I'm just getting started. I've not even done anything. I've not really promoted it effectively. So, but I want to let you know that this is where money is being made right now. And the good news is that you can just join this program with a token of just 4,500 Naira. All right. So before, I've just shown you my dashboard. But before we continue, let me just walk you through the website. What I understand about this website is that it is an advertising platform where they get paid by Google, they get paid by individual companies that want to advertise their product or brand using direct marketing. Because what they do is that Learnify get the advert, give it to their members that are over 50,000 right now, and the 50,000 members every day will spread the news, the information about this brand, and the brand gets exposure, and Learnify gets the money and share with their members. So this is what you do. There are 3 simple steps to follow. You get the coupon code, which is what I'm going to help you get. So once you get a coupon code, you create an account using my link. I am your sponsor right now. You can't join Learnify without someone referring you, okay? So I'm referring you now. Please show me love on this channel. Make sure you use my link in the description. My link is the first in the description. Go there, click there. Once you click that link, it's going to bring you up. Let me show you what I mean. This is one of my videos, so you can go to my channel and watch it. Income Spinner, go there and watch it. This is it. All right. So when you come here, you see a link like this on my description.
Hello,
just click
I
on
know
it.
that you have been hearing about making money online, but it sounds like a scam. It sounds like a film trick to you. But I want to show you.
It's going to bring you to a page like this.
You something that a platform that will pay you
to bring you to
in the next 24 hours
if
you're ready to put in a little effort. Now, this is not affiliate marketing. This is not Ponzi scheme. This is not investment. This is a legit platform that is changing the lives of Nigerians. So if you're interested, click the link below this video right now. Join me in my WhatsApp group. Let me show you how to start making 100,000, 50,000, 200,000 every week. All right, guys, let me see you there. Click the link and let's go there.
Come here, join my group, and I'm going to walk you through step by step. All right, so this is just what Learnify is all about. It's a very simple platform. You don't need to refer. For instance, every day I need to log out now so that I can make some money today, right? Need to log out. So you can see my balance is 9,000, right? My balance right now is 9,000. I need to log out because I've not done business for today. So how do you make money? First, as a member, once you sign up to your account. The moment you sign up to your account, you make 200 naira. Can you see it? That my 9,000 has turned to 9,200. Wow, this is awesome. So this is awesome. So once you do that, you have already earned 200 naira while talking to you right now. You go back to your home page and click on Learn Post. Learn Post. When you click on that Learn Post, you come here and click on it. Oh, they've not updated a new post. Now, if there is a new post right now, if I click on it, it will take me to wherever they take me to TikTok, and I will earn 300 naira. Okay, since that one is not yet updated for today, I'll check back later in the day to be there, right? So you go to the next task. There are basically 3 tasks you perform. You log in, you earn. You share the post, you earn 300 naira. You engage the ad, you earn another 300. So every day, you're guaranteed to make 700 naira every day. Guys, that is just for doing nothing. Every blessed day, you make 700 naira every day. So you click on it, the advert, click on advert. You see that many companies are paying them to promote their brand. This is one expert paying Learnify to promote. So you come here, you click on engage ad. Don't worry, when you click like that, there's a lot of advertisement that you'll be popping up. Never mind. Now, this is where you're going to, right? You come here. Once you click on this, go back to your dashboard. You see that your money on your dashboard has increased. All right. So you see now, my balance is now 9,400 naira. So I've just earned another 400 naira. Later in the day, once the post is available, I'll go back again, click on it, share the post, I'll earn 300. So today, I will make my 700 naira. Boy, this is massive. All right. Now, another place where you make a lot of money, let me just take you to TikTok and show you what is happening there. TikTok, and show you what is happening there on TikTok. So you know that people are making a lot of money. I just got started. So I know that in the next 1 week, I'll be joining the League of the Millionaires. Yes, that's my goal. All right, so you go to TikTok. Let's search for Learnify. Learnify. Okay. So this is the page. This is the official page. All right. This is their profile page. Right. You see that they already have 55,000 followers. Right. These are engagement. Right. These are engagement. Every day people are cashing out. And all you need to make money with this platform is your mobile phone. You don't need any other thing. So for you to make faster money, you need to refer people. It is not compulsory. If you want to just keep making your 700 naira every day, jejely, every day, just come here, perform your 3 tasks, make your 700 naira every day, and then at the end of the month, you cash out. If you invest 4,500, the moment you register, Learnify is going to give you 2,500 naira. So you see that out of your 4,500, you got back 2,500 instantly, and you perform your task for that day. You get 700 naira. That means instantly you get back 3,500 naira. So you're not losing anything, right? So that is how you begin. Once you have 20,000 naira, you can place for a withdrawal. That is for the activity balance. But if you want a faster money, what you need to do is refer. When you refer people to this platform, when you refer people, when you become a member, this is your own referral link. You copy this link. This is the link you will use to refer people every day. This is the link you're going to use to refer people, right? Every day. Once people sign up using this link, you make 3,500 naira instantly. 3,500 naira instantly. And once you make 7,000 naira, Learnify is going to pay you. Once you get 7,000 naira in your referral balance, in this particular balance, so in this balance, once you get 25, once you make 7K here, once you make 7K in this affiliate balance, you can cash out immediately. Learnify pays every week. They pay 3 times every week. You can place withdrawal again and again and again. All right. So many people are cashing out. If you need more, you can come to this page and look at it. It's really awesome what is going on. Okay, guys, this is it. Click the link below this video and let me walk you through how to make money on Learnify. God bless you. See you in my next one. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to like this video.
I know that you have been hearing about making money online, but it sounds like a scam. It sounds like a film trick to you. But I want to show you something, that a platform that will pay you in the next 24 hours if you're ready to put in a little effort. Now, this is not affiliate marketing. This is not Ponzi scheme. This is not investment. This is a legit platform that is changing the lives of Nigerians. So if